express the same things, but with different words. We acknowledge the same curve, and those might have hers. It's like the last line you draw to remind a past time, a fast minded feeling of freedom, please to be recognized. And I can hear your doctors calling from here to say, kill vice, independency, and I'll kill the seal, cause the young himself is stealthy mass appeal. Where's my muse? Where's my muse? It is like every word slipping through my mind has been used. Staggering like the old man feeding a third. With my past I reflecting half the things that I've learned. A windowless frame in a transparent room, filling up cracks with plastic assumes. Shape shift, nuance, venue. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Wreck up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Break up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend. I've risen myself as I walk along the weary, moldy watching. I found myself staring, building up an empire of my great desire. Well, the fumes from my thought process takes me higher, higher and higher. Ain't stopping there. My avalanche of color starts over there, and I've got the solitary key to go through. Gray and delicious, the traps can be so vicious. Prepare for the ultimate takedown. Part-time experience might save you from deliverance, but will it serve the greater cause?
Straight. So I spent some time, took me over a week to straighten the rear subframe on it. Took a little ingenuity. We only had 618 miles on this thing. As you can see, tinted screen, new mirrors, handlebars, tank pad. Still have the stock exhaust on it. One of these days I'll put a aftermarket one on. But I'm going to be changing out the front turn signals. Chinese plastic there, the signals fit a little bit loose because the plastic's thinner than the stock plastic here. Here we go. Turned out pretty well. Like I said, the Chinese plastic took a little while to get that fitted on there right. So stuff lined up. And this is my conclusion.